Okay, I would like to convert my decimal to a fraction, this time in lowest terms. So in order to convert 0.85 to a fraction, then I'm going to look at the number of decimal places or number of digits to the right of the decimal place. Number of digits to right of decimal. So in this case, I have 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the digits that I have, except for the leading 0, the 8 and the 5, and I'm going to write that over the number 1 with 2 zeros. And the reason that I have 2 zeros is because I had 2 digits to the right of the decimal. So that's going to be my fraction. Now it's not in lowest terms, so I'm going to go to my fraction calculator and reduce it. So I want to use my fraction button. So I'm going to enter 85 over 100, whoops, and hit calculate, and it's going to reduce for me. So I see here that it has reduced to the fraction 17 over 20. So I'm going to write down then that that is equal to 17 over 20. I have another example here, and I think I'm actually going to change this to have another value in here. Let's call this 2.568. And I'd like to convert that to, to a fraction. Okay, so I need all of the digits that I had before, so all the digits 2, 5, 6, 8, and I'm going to write that as a fraction over the value 1, and then I'm going to have, let me see, there are 1, 2, 3 digits to the right of the decimal place, so there will be 3 zeros. So I have 2,568 over 1,000, and I'm going to put that into my fraction calculator. So that would be the fraction calculator, 2,568 over 100, or 1,000, because there are 3 zeros. Hit calculate, and I have the fraction 321 over 125, which turns out to be 2 and 71 over 125. So that's how I can get my fraction into lowest terms for a decimal. So remember, you need to know the number of digits to the right of the decimal place, and that's the number of zeros behind the 1 in the denominator. Right? So we had 3 digits, and that became 3 zeros. And we had the digits 2, 5, 6, 8, so the entire set was written without the decimal place as the numerator.